games and earn Bitcoin in just 30 minutes. You can play the games of your choice and can earn crypto online. Also, I will show you a withdrawal proof from this app, so stay tuned. Now the name of this app is Kwai Crypto. Kwai Crypto is owned by the company called Nukes. The first link in description of this video will take you over to Play Store and you can download the app from there. As you can see, you can earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies also. And if you don't want to play games, you can just watch videos and complete some offers and surveys to earn Bitcoin. And the good thing is that you can withdraw your crypto earned into your wallet within minutes. Also, if you watch until the end of this video, I will show you a bonus tip which will help you to withdraw the Bitcoin and Litecoin faster. So stay tuned until the end of this video. Now once you download this app, they will give you a welcome bonus which you can see here. Now to receive this bonus, just click on start and begin the super easy tutorial, and on next step you will see that the tutorial will start now. So just click here on click to start tutorial. After that, agree to terms and conditions by ticking this box and click accept and continue. And now they will show you 6 steps to make your first withdrawal. And as you can see, 2,000 points have been credited to our account. Now the first tutorial step to earn 4,000 points is to watch video, and by clicking here you can read all the details of this step. But in short, you have to watch a video ad and complete a rewarded video offer. But warning, using proxies or VPN will result in account termination, so don't use any type of VPN on this app. Now just click on play video and the video ad will play. And after watching video, you will be credited with 4,000 points, and now only 5 steps remaining to withdraw your first crypto. Now the second step to earn 6,000 points is to watch 2 more rewarded video ads one by one. By clicking here, you can read this in detail, but in short just play the video ads and click on cross button once you complete watching ads. Then repeat the same, and after few minutes the reward will be added to your account. So just click on play video to start watching video ads and earn Bitcoin, and after that the 6,000 points will be added to your account. Also, they will give you a community bonus of 4,000 points for joining their Discord community. As you can read here, join our Discord server. Simply click on the invite link provided to you. You will be promoted to Kwai Crypto server points giveaway channel. Copy and paste the given text to channel discussion, and X-Robot will promote you to your next mission. Now to join Discord, click start, and you can join Discord from this page by clicking on this button. But before that, copy your text from this white box by clicking this icon, and as you can see that your text has been copied. After that, just click on this Discord button and it will take you over to your browser. Here you can see that Kwai Crypto invites you to join Discord, so just click accept invite and just download the Discord app from Play Store or App Store to your mobile device. Once you register yourself on Discord, it will join you to points giveaway. Now all you have to do is to paste your text here which we copied from Kwai Crypto. Also, when you open the Kwai Crypto app now, it will show you that you have successfully joined the Discord community, and there are only 4 steps left to withdraw your amount of cryptos you earned on this app. And sometimes they show you this reminder to not use VPN or proxies, otherwise your account will be terminated. And after that the community bonus of 4,000 points will be added to your account. Now in the third step, to get 1,000 points, you have to complete any one offer and you have to watch 3 video ads. You can stop the video and read the details here. As you can see, there are 4 types of different offers which you can complete, and in the end you will find the option to watch video ads. So just click on watch video, and after watching video you can see here that you have watched 1 out of 3 videos, and after watching all 3 videos it will be 3 out of 3. Now you just have to complete any one offer out of several offers out there, but the most popular one is this, the playtime offers, so just click on that. On the next page you can read these terms of usage, and after that you can proceed further. In playtime offers you will find many interesting games which you can download and play, and you just have to earn points mentioned over here to get the reward. Once you complete this step, it will show you that it's time for easy verification. Your data is secured and you are 2 steps away from your first withdrawal. Now in the 4th step, to verify your phone number for 2,000 points, you have to follow all of these steps which you can read on the screen. But warning, fake phones will result in account deactivation, so don't use fake numbers. Now click on start and just verify your phone number. After that, points will be added to your account. Now the last step is to verify your email address, and you will get 3,000 points for this. But again, if you use any fake emails here you may lose your account. Now click on start button, and on the next page enter your email address in this box and click on done. And after verification you will be credited with 3,000 points. Then after this you can withdraw your first crypto coin from this site, and the good thing is that they will also give you 4,000 points to withdraw your first crypto coin. Read the instructions to withdraw the crypto coin carefully, and as you can read on the screen, you will get the coin in your wallet within 24 hours. So just click on the start button and it will show this page where you can see that you need 400,000 points to withdraw a Bitcoin. But don't worry, I will show you how to earn 400,000 coins faster and withdraw the Bitcoin faster, so keep watching. But for now you can withdraw the Litecoin, so just click on it, and on next page select enter new wallet and proceed. Then here you have to enter your wallet address in which you want to receive your Litecoin or other crypto coins from the site. You can use Coinbase.com, Bitcoin.com, etc. Regardless of the wallet you use, the next procedure will be same in all cases. So just log into your wallet and then select deposit option available on your app. After that, just select crypto and search for LTC in the search box, and just select this LTC Litecoin option and just copy your wallet address from there and paste it in this box. Then simply approve the withdrawal, and as you can see, your withdrawal is being processed, and I will show you this withdrawal proof in the end of this video, so keep watching. From now they will give you 5% extra points in your piggy bank bonus, and after completion of 7 days this balance will be added to your account. And now I am remaining with 4,000 points after withdrawal, and the next mission will be available in just 58 minutes, which will help us to earn more points points in less time. And for now, to earn points we can use these multiple offers available here. Now as you can see, we got a mission to watch 8 videos. And as you can read the details, you have to watch 8 videos. And also you have to just click on one of those videos. So just click on start to start watching video. But if you like my efforts to share with you the latest and working sites and apps to make money online, then smash the like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. So now after completing this mission, the next mission will be available in 1 hour again. Till then I want to show you these all offers available here. So starting with the playtime offers available here, you can find different interesting games available here, and you can also see the points you will get for completing each level in a game. This watercolor game pays more points per level, also it's very easy to play, so let's download this game and play this. So the interface of that game is very interesting, and by playing this game we will earn crypto on Kwai Crypto app, so it's a win-win situation for us. And once you complete the levels in the game, you can check your progress by selecting your app from the bottom, and on this page you will see your progress till now. So the bonus point to earn and withdraw Bitcoin faster is that there are many different offers available on this app, and each offer has many games in it which you can play and earn points which you can use later to withdraw Bitcoin. And if you play this, you can actually withdraw the Bitcoin within 30 minutes. Now to show you the Litecoin proof, you can see here in my withdrawal history that the transaction is successful and I have received this payment in my wallet. Download the app from link in description and start earning Bitcoin and Litecoins today. That's it for today. If you want to make more money online, then click the video showing on the screen right now.